Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can enable the option of interactively highlighting the rows and column. The steps are very simple. Let's go for it. I write 3 formulas for you. You just need to put in there. So let's go. You have to go to the condition formatting and select the last option, manage rules. You have to manage 2 rules, add new rule, and here you have to select the option use a formula to determine which cell to format. It will ask you to write here a formula, then go here. I will provide these formula in the description as well. Copy and go in Excel sheet, paste here. And for the rows, don't forget to select the color in the fill tab. Let's suppose I am selecting here this is the green color. It will be good for me. So for the columns, add new rule, same go here this option, and then for the columns you can copy this one and paste here. You can select any color for a different color for the column and for the row, but I will select the same for the both. And then don't forget to write here in applies to like A to AZ, A colon AZ I mean, and here also A colon AZ. Click apply. Okay, this is not interactively right now. So to make it interactive, you have to enable a VBA option, Visual Basic Application. This is very simple. Go in here, the tab will appear on your screen, and you will see here we are working on the demo sheet 3 worksheet. Select the worksheet and go here. It should be selection change here. Then you have to write this formula in here, Application.ScreenUpdate is equals to true in here. So don't do anything, just go to Excel sheet to see it is working. Yes, it is working. But now the challenge is, if you save it and you want to save this thing, so it will not save in .xlx format because you add macro. So you have to save this file in xlxm. Let me show you. For example, close this one, save this one, and click here no. It will ask you, okay, you want to save this sheet. I will say yes, I want to save this sheet, but not in this format because I want to keep the changes saved. So the format should be xlsm. Save. Okay, now the sheet is saved, and if you close it and reopen it again, so your changes will intact there and you can enjoy this interactive selection. I will show you in a while. So you see your changes are saved, you have this interactive selection active, but you should remember save your file in xlsm format. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.